It's a mesmerizing display of precision engineering, overseen by a dedicated team ensuring every single fish stick meets the golden standard. Cooling prepares the product for freezing and packaging. Everything begins with carefully selected fish, delivered fresh to the factory. Each fillet is carefully inspected before production begins.
We're showing a consistent pH balance across all 3 vats now.
Excellent. The automated sequence is running perfectly.
The fish is blended into a uniform mixture for shaping. Look at the fluctuation on screen 3. The vibration levels are spiking.
I see it. Rerouting the batch now and checking the sensor calibration.
Every fish stick is shaped to the exact same size.
Next, these fish sticks will be fried until perfectly golden and crispy.
Target temperature isn't holding steady. See the spike here?
Yeah, I see it. Dialing it back now. There, much better.
The coated fish sticks are cooked in giant industrial fryers. Precise temperatures help create the perfect golden crust. Excess oil is removed before cooling begins.
We're seeing a spike in the PDU temperatures here. Yeah,
Adjusting the coolant mix now.
looks good. Levels are stabilizing across the grid.
Using advanced chromatography, we ensure every batch meets the highest standards for purity and consistency.
The fish sticks have passed inspection. Next, they're packaged and shipped worldwide.
After inspection, the fish sticks move to the packaging department.
Each package is automatically weighed and sealed. Advanced automation helps process thousands of packages every hour. The finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses.
We need more crates over here.
Bringing them.
Bringing them now.
From factory to freezer aisles, the journey is carefully controlled. Every day, millions of tons of frozen cargo traverse the globe, keeping the cold chain unbroken.